Good morning, people. So, yan nga, this is our season 2, part 2 of the walking serie. I hope everybody's having a great time, just like what I did or what I am now. I'm having a great time walking kasi alam nyo, I've been staying home like for the entire vacation time ng mga bata kasi walang pasok. So, yan. So, after ko sila hinatid sa school, yung nakita niyo yung bitbit ko kanina na bag na blue, that's pandesal. No, I bought the very favorite of mine na bread. Yan. And syempre, malakas ang loob niyo magputi na shoes, 'di ba? Parang anyway ako din naman na maglalaba. So yes po, maulan. It's a very rainy day for us for the past few days again. A couple of days already, and until now, by the time na nire-record ko po ito, maulan pa din. So keep safe everybody, ha? At mayroon na naman tayong parating. Hindi pa nga nakakalabas si Guring. Hana is already here. So mag-ingat po kayo. Okay? So malapit na ako sa bahay namin. Yan po. So mag-enjoy lang ako ng aking lakad-lakad. I hope nakatulong ito sa aking health. At least a little, no, na-stretch ko yung aking mga taba-taba dyan. And ayan na. So anyway, I'll see you again next time. Enjoy your day, people, and stay kind to everybody. Okay? Ayun, saan po tayo? Ayan. Kasi may disposable kaming paper. At ako lang naman sa bahay. Kaya ako na lang mag-almusal. Ayan po. Kain po tayo. Yung tira ng almusal at baon. Tira ulit ng almusal at baon. May paper plate, sayang, gamitin natin. At yan, pusit. Whatever, basta pusit po yan, mahaba. Yan ang almusal natin today. Almusal na tayo. Kasi pumasok na yung mga bata sa school. So, ayan na po. Kain tayo, people. Let's eat. Kayo po, ano po ang inyong almusal? Sana masarap din. Kahit simple, basta masarap at alam mo yun, ini-enjoy nyo yung food. Okay na yan. No? So, magandang umaga, maulan. Ganyan kumain ang mag-isa. Kain po tayo lahat. Itlog, hotdog, at maliit na pusit. There, I just came back from ng school ng anak ko dahil natid ko sila. So, I was able to walk for a while. At least konti, naglakad si teacher kasi yun din ang goal ko. At least yung paghatid ko, tapos pagbalik ko, I could walk na. Parang naka-exercise ako kahit ilang minuto. Hindi tayo na-stuck dito sa ating upuan, maghapon, katuro, kaupo. No? So, it's a rainy day. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. That's our lakad serye for today. Dahan-dahan lang ako naglakad kasi maulan nga. Guys, alam nyo na pag aging na ang lola nyo, mahirap na yung mga dulas-dulas. Diba? So, ingat po. Have a good day.